Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Mazda6 Touring. Really nice interior. Total price of $28,265. That's it? $28,265. Wow. I thought it was going to be a lot more than that. Snowflake white pearl. Yeah, overall a really nice car. This one has the non-turbo 2.5, 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. And I just realized I drove all this way not in sport mode. Just move that button there, engage sport mode. The reason why I was so shocked about the $28,000 sticker is everything in here is soft touch. Even this hard plastic up here, this is soft touch. This is soft touch. All right here is soft touch. This, well, not right here, but this is all soft touch. Steering wheel, nice soft touch materials. I mean, it is absolutely sensational. The seats are, of course, soft touch. The headrest is self-adjusting. I didn't want you to adjust. Come back here. Down. There. This one has a sunroof, too. Oh, you do get an extension. Yeah. Not a bad infotainment system. This is the previous gen. But yeah, let's go for a drive. I gotta try to avoid that big mud puddle. I didn't film in here earlier on today because I was worried about that, because this is all soaked and I don't want to get the cars all muddy. But it's dried out a bit. It does feel really good. It has a great amount of pull. It's something I'm actually surprised about after driving the 2.5 turbo all day in the other Mazdas, the CX-5, the CX-9. Yeah, I've only done 3 today. Oh. I need to speed up. Mazda6 is a competitor with the Accord, the Camry, and stuff like that. However, this is the best driving out of them all. Under $30,000 is not a lot better driving sedans you can get out there. Mazda prides itself with making the best driving vehicles in each segment. And they are doing a great job, especially with the Mazda6 Signature with its turbo. I mean, these cars are riots. They're absolutely awesome. But even the normal naturally aspirated 2.5 is still a great motor. It has a good amount of pull to it. especially for being non-turbo. 186 pound-feet of torque is a good number, especially when you think about the displacement and stuff like that. It does feel a little bit more than that. Has a good amount of pull to it. Brake pedal's very easy to modulate. The Mazda 6 is like a sports sedan. Steering is very communicative. That's a good way to put it. I can tell what the road's like. Good heft to it without being overbearing. Mazda 6 is kind of like a luxury car, more than like the Maxima is a sports car. The steering in the Maxima is a lot heavier than this, but that's also a downside over long drives. Whereas these seats, everything in here, it's just, you can spend a lot of time in here. You know, I almost want to put the car in there and say it's a Mazda rotary, but I can't get over the soft touch materials. I love having soft touch materials where your knees go. That is just amazing. I wish they did it here, but really your leg's supposed to be on the dead pedal, not like that. But having your knee rest up against this soft touch leather, it's just super comfortable. You don't have to worry about smashing your knee against hard plastic. And for 28 grand, they did not have to do that. But they did, and it's extremely welcome. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.